Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Let's go over level 2 of Three Little Birds. It looks like this. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't. Now the benefits to this is we are working on our finger picking. We've got a pentatonic melody that we're playing using the pentatonic scale. We're going to work on stretching that pinky finger all the way up to the 5th fret over there. And we are going to look at our D-sus chord and being able to chunk it to play more of the keyboard melody line on the D chord. So let's dive right into it. To start, we have our A chord. Just the first finger laying across the 2nd fret on the D, G, and B strings. Then afterwards, we have the melody line, which looks like this. So that's using the pentatonic scale that you may have come across if you learned your A minor pentatonic scale in a different YouTube video or in guitar class. But we are playing this A chord, and then we can use our other fingers to play melody lines. So like this. So you can kind of do cool stuff like that, just because this first finger is laying down. Works great in the key of A and also in the key of E. We are going to keep the bar down. We have the 2nd fret on the G string. Then use your ring finger to play the 4th fret on the G. Then lift it up. And then we're going to stretch our pinky to the 5th fret on the B string. If you have smaller fingers, this is going to be more challenging, but I encourage you to just go ahead and try to work on it anyway, because being able to stretch our fingers is great for being able to play lots of different kinds of riffs. If you absolutely can't do that, then something else that you can do instead is you can play the open E, which makes it harder in my opinion, but it's one way to do it. So it would look like this. Because now you're working on a different skill of being able to lift up a bar while keeping a partial bar still down. So to me, that's harder, but if you absolutely can't reach that 5th fret, that's the other option I could see. Or you could just do, and then lift off the A chord to play the open E string, and then put it back on when you play the A chord coming up. Hey everyone, Editing Ryan here. One more tip is you can play the A chord, and then once you get to this part, shift your hand. You can lift off the bar, so that way your pinky can reach to this 5th fret B string, play the open A, and then go back to the bar to finish the rest of the riff. So let's just work on this part together, nice and slow, like. And the hardest part's keeping the bar down, so if your fingers hurt, that's fine. Feel free to take a break. Here we go. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready. Let's do it continuously. Again. Keep it going. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4. A couple more times. 2, 4, 2. Last time. 2, 4, 2, 5. Now that we've done that, then we just do this. So, and right here I have a note for it to let it ring. I just think that it sounds good, but if you don't want to let it ring, you don't have to. So when you play that 5, you can keep your pinky there, play the A string, and then lift off, and then put the right hand down in between this part right here. So let's just try this part together, nice and slow, like. Like that. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, here we go. Again. 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 One more time. And. So to do beats 3 and 4, we're going to do the same as the first beat, like this. And to get the staccato right here, you're going to play the 2nd fret and then lift off like that. Lift off the bar. So let's practice it real slow together, like 3 E and 4 E and just keep it on a loop like that. Here we go. 3 E and 4 E, lift, and 3 E and 4 E, and here we go. Mute, 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 again, mute, mute, mute. Good. Now let's try putting the whole bar together like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 4, 2, 5. Mute, mute again. Mute, 2, 4, 2, 5. Mute again. Here we go. And 2, 4, 2, 5. And one more time. Now that we've done that, let's move over to the D chord. It's exactly the same as last time, except for right here, we have our D sus4, which is just the D chord, but you put your pinky down on the 3rd fret of the high E. So that part goes like this. 4 E and like that. And once we play this high E string, I play just the string and then my hand is lifted off so that way I can transition back to like that. So let's just practice this part and then we'll practice going from here to here, starting with this. So, and I mute by putting my right hand down over here. So 4 E and about that fast. Here we go. 4 E and 1, go. 4 E and 1, go. Last time. Okay, now let's do this and transition to the A chord. So 1, go. Mute. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. Mute. Mute. 1, 2, ready, go. Mute. Mute. 1, 2, ready, go. Mute. 1, 2, last time. Here we go. Mute. Mute. This was level 2 of 3 Little Birds, and I will see you in the practice video.